So here we have our basic setup. This is the main controller, this is the on off module, and this is the load. We can use a mobile, any mobile, or this Amazon device to turn off this. So see, like this: Alexa, turn on demo device.
Okay.
So here we have given the name of the load as demo device. And so what happens when we give command to this? The command goes to the Amazon server. Then this module is connected to Wi-Fi, and this module connects Wi-Fi with use of a code. It is written in C language. It is a programming language. So what happens is this connects to the Wi-Fi. This receives signal from the server of Amazon. So this receives command, then this pin turns on or off this relay, which further activates this load. So let me give the command, Alexa, turn off demo device. It should now turn off.
Okay.
So this basic example we can do with the help of mobile. Open mobile, and we have to be connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Alexa app and say, Alexa, turn on demo device. So it should turn on. So it is turned on. So let me give command, Alexa, turn off demo device. See, it is turned off, and we got the feedback from Alexa. So now let's see how we can further enhance this example to control our entire home. So here is the main module. In each room we have to place like these modules, and these come in different channels. Like we have our single channel, dual channel, 4 channel, and 8 channel. The number of channel depends upon the number of devices we have to connect. So in each room I have connected 4 channel ones. So total of my home can control 14 devices. So let me give a basic command, Alexa, turn on hall tube light. This should turn on.
Okay.
So let's give the opposite of that. Alexa, turn off hall tube light.
Okay.
See, it is turned off. And by the way, we can also name the room. So for example, and turn on or off all the devices in the room. Alexa, turn on kitchen. Now all devices in the kitchen should turn on. See, the tube light is turned on, the bulb, and these 2 sockets. I cannot show them because I have one connected to them. And similarly like this, Alexa, turn on living room. I have turned on. We have to give the name device the specific name like this, Alexa, turn off hall tube light.
Okay.
In this line, hall resembles the room and tube light resembles the device. Using this, we can control many types of devices like every household device or in appliances, etc.